Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update capital gains records using Robinhood tax documents. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update your capital gains records using Robinhood tax documents, start by logging into your Robinhood account. Navigate to the Account tab located at the bottom right corner of your screen. From the Account menu, select Statements and History. Scroll down until you find the Tax Documents section. Click on the Tax Documents option to view all available documents. Locate the Form 1099 that corresponds to the tax year you are updating. Download the Form 1099 by clicking the download icon next to it. Open the downloaded document on your computer. Review the document carefully to find details about your realized gains and losses. Note the columns that indicate the date of sale, the sale price, and the cost basis. To calculate your net capital gains, subtract the cost basis from the sale price for each transaction. If you need to report short-term or long-term gains separately, once you have your calculations, open your tax software or form where you'll enter this information. Find the section for reporting capital gains and losses. Enter the totals for short-term and long-term gains as per your calculations. Double-check all entries for accuracy to ensure correct tax reporting. Save your progress and proceed to complete the rest of your tax return. If you have any questions or encounter issues, refer to Robinhood support or your tax professional for guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.